back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a slime review of all my slimes. So first slime we have is this slime. So when I first got it, it was blue. But then my sister, you can see right there, I didn't even know, but she mixed some pink in there, and it made like this cool purple. Was like cool, like I don't know, but it looks cool. And she has the same thing. I let her mix my blue, and yep, as you can see, you can still see a little bit of pink right there.
You did?
So that's my first slime.
I mean, the taste is
It's
good,
really
but the
satisfying.
consistency is
Well, the top, I just have the top, it was kind of
And
sushi.
yep,
You eat sushi.
and it's pretty stretchy.
I'm full. I had,
Okay, no, that was
banana
just
chips,
bad.
and then I had a
Okay, so here are my five that mix together.
Oh.
Oh my god, guys,
I want to make a sandwich.
guys, look at this, so
How are you going to make a sandwich?
my sister,
Mm-hmm.
this feels,
Sriracha.
my sister just mixed all of her slimes together.
I can't stand my own
And-
shutter, so I probably won't be
Look at this, guys.
You don't like either one?
No, Gilly.
It like breaks and like, oh my god, guys, this is like,
Oh my god, guys.
that's like the best slime ever.
Look at her with that.
So this is it for my slime.
But
Put that back in. And
yeah.
it came in a toilet, like. And then next was my slime. I can't really take this one out, because you see what's like on my hands right here a little bit? That's this slime. This slime, it gets in your hands really easily, so I'm not going to be taking this one out, but maybe in one video I will take this one out. And my last slime is this one. Oh, it's really satisfying, guys. This is like the most satisfying.
Okay, so guys,
So
I see.
look at this.
Do you see
That was
that? I
pretty
mixed
That was
it
pretty cool.
together.
And
I'm
here it
not-
is on my hand. Looks, feels like Jello.
It's so
It's
like
not.
dough, but it's not. And then,
Watery.
like, Wiley.
Oh my god, my sister's copying me. You could see. Let's see. And it's really satisfying. You can see, look at this. It like breaks when you do it. Like
Mima, can you open
comes
it?
out like that.
No, I don't
and
get Chris
that's
once
pretty
he's
cool.
open.
No, I want
Is this yours or Chris?
mine.
Ooh. Can she have it?
And
Leave that one in there, Chloe. That one's the sticky one.
That's real yucky. Feel it.
here, this one doesn't really stretch that well, and I'll show you something else about this slime. Where's the
No,
bucket?
I'm gonna open it, Mommy.
Okay, just play with it, but leave it in there.
Okay, let's get the slime back in. So,
Yeah, I'm not into either one.
oh my god, there's a slime on my hands.
I'd rather watch.
See, guys, I mixed
This is
this.
awesome.
Oh my god, guys, look at this super satisfying
That
slime.
was good. I'd like to watch it again.
So, and another thing about this slime is,
It'll rerun it tomorrow
Wait a second.
again. You never have flashbacks.
it's not doing anything. So, this thing, Chloe, can you get out of the way? Oh my god. Guys, I'm sorry.
I've yet to do it.
Well, I went before the. I went on Wednesday.
Okay, here I am. Get out of the way, Chloe.
Me and Chloe went and got a 90.
Guys.
She only got
So, I
Did
don't know
they
if it's gonna
charge
do it
her?
right now. Come on.
How much?
$10.
Oh, wait.
Terrible.
It's not farting.
Same as an unpolished chain.
Well, $10 for a pound.
Oh, yeah, you heard that, guys? Did you hear that? It's not farting anymore. Okay, just leave it there for a little bit. Oh, did you hear that? It was a tiny fart.
I'm going to drive tomorrow. You're driving tomorrow.
Mommy,
That was like a toot.
I'm still gonna dinner.
Oh, yeah, you heard that.
Mommy, I want to open that, Mommy.
So, that's the end of the video, guys. Like the video, subscribe,
I'm
and
just going to say, Mom.
share it with your friends, and
Mommy, I want to open that one, Mommy.
the
Open
slime.
which one?
And, yep. That's the end of the video. So share with your friends. Peace out. Bye, guys.